Welcome this video titled Waterfall Feature Design, a statutory approach by software development, introducing in the realms of software development. The waterfall model is a well established approach that is stood the test of time. While many teams have adopted agile methodology from of the flexibility and eternal natural, the waterfall modern remain a viable other from project that record a structure and company has step approach to feature design. We will explore waterfall feature design, its principal benefits and best practically to help your understanding when and how to implement it effectively in your software development project. Benefits of waterfall feature design. While agile methodology have gained popularity in recent years, the waterfall modern often survey advantage makes a whenever choose of need type of project. Understanding the waterfall model also now as the traditional online secured life cycle modern is a structure appear to software development. It's a chapter by a lines secured project wide and must be completed before the next one big. The most comprised survey and with its unique set by active and development system design testing development main interest waterfall design in depth. Waterfall design is a subtle but of the waterfall modern the flows on the design and development to explore feature or functionality within the large software project. Here are more detailed look its of waterfall design. System design. One the requirement and embellish the next stop is to create a design of the function. This design